In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to GCash. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring a smooth and successful transfer. Whether this is your first time making such a transaction or you're looking to refresh your memory, follow along for a clear and detailed walkthrough. To begin, you'll need to open the Wells Fargo mobile app. If you haven't already, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, log in using your username and password. Be sure to access the app in a secure environment to protect your personal information. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Transfer and Pay. Tap on this to proceed, and you'll be presented with several options for transferring funds. For our purposes, select either wire money or transfer to another bank. This step is crucial as it sets up the framework for sending money to your GCash account. The next step involves adding your recipient details. Tap on Add Recipient, and you'll be prompted to input your GCash account information. It's important to do this via a linked international transfer service such as Wise, Remitly, or PayPal. These services facilitate the cross-border nature of this transfer. Make sure to have your GCash linked account number handy, as you'll need to input it here. Once you've set up your recipient, it's time to enter the amount you want to send. Carefully type in the amount and confirm the currency you wish to use, which in this case is typically USD to PHP. Double check these details to avoid any errors or misunderstandings. With the amount and currency confirmed, take a moment to review your transaction details. This includes verifying the recipient name and ensuring the GCash linked account number is accurate. If everything looks good, tap Submit to initiate the transfer. Finally, it's time to wait for the transfer confirmation. How long this takes can vary. It might be as quick as a few minutes, but can take up to one business day, particularly if you're using a partner service. Keep an eye on your notifications both from the Wells Fargo app and your chosen international transfer service for updates. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully completed a transfer from Wells Fargo to your GCash account. As always, security is key when dealing with financial transactions, so ensure that your details are correct and be mindful of any security alerts. Thank you for tuning in to this guide, and I hope it assists you in managing your financial needs with confidence.